Have you ever wondered what it's like to work with a professional organizer? Well, you're in luck because that is the topic of today's video here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field, and I thought it would be fun today to tell you what it's like to work with a professional organizer. Now, I made this video based on comments that I've gotten over the years from my own clients. Here are some of the top 5 things clients have said to me while we are working together. Starting with number 5. What the heck is this? I hear this all the time. When we're digging into paperwork or reaching into closets and drawers, we can find all kinds of forgotten items. And that often leads to comment number 4. That's where this is. I love it when a client rediscovers a buried treasure, like a special photo or a book or a note. But more often I hear number 3. Why did I ever keep this? Sometimes we need to hold on to items for a while before we're willing to part with them. And working with a professional organizer can provide a sounding board to think more deeply about items and decide what to keep or let go of without guilt. Now, I think you're going to like comment number 2. It usually goes something like this. Holy cow, money. Sometimes the word cow isn't used, but you get the point. Sometimes it's just loose change, sometimes a whole wad of cash, or a forgotten gift card. Occasionally, it's a large uncashed check. Almost every client I work with finds money at some point during our time together. I think that's pretty awesome. So, what is the number one thing that I hear from clients when we work together? I wish I hadn't waited so long. Getting organized is rewarding, and not just because of the potential of finding money, but it's rewarding because it brings clarity and a sense of calm, and it decreases stress levels, not to mention having a more efficient, inviting space that you can enjoy. So, what are you waiting for? I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletters and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. Or you can check out how you can work with me, either in person or virtually. And remember that new videos drop every Friday. So be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go, so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.